Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is random. So random function is mainly used to generate the random number between 0 and 1 in terms of decimal. So whenever there is a need to convert or generate any random number between 0 and 1, you can easily utilize this random function. I will firstly show you how we are using it inside SQLRPGLE program, and later we will see the normal query. So in SQLRPGLE program, first of all, I'm declaring the constant, which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. And this constant we will use to store the output. Uh, this constant we will use to verify the query. Post that we have declared one variable, which is the result variable of zone decimal 9. And this variable we will use to store the output, which we are retrieving from the query. After that, we have set the commitment option, set option commit equals to star none, which is optional thing. So if you would like to skip for this program, you can. Here we are using the main query. So in main query, I'm writing the exec SQL select random into result variable from sys ibm.systeme1. So what it will do, it will generate the random number and store it into the host variable result. Afterwards, we will check for the query. So here I'm checking for SQL state. If SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, display result, else display SQL state within a message, query ended with an error and if INLR on. Okay, so this is how this program should work. Now let's compile it and call it. So first time it is returning 0. If I call it randomly again and again, so you will see that the value is changed to 1. Why? Because actually it is generating the decimal point value, but due to the program data type, like it is converting and it is rounding off the value. Okay, but I will show you another example over the query where you will see that it is generating actual decimal float value. You can see here I'm running the query select random as random value from sysibm.systeme1. So if I hit enter, you can see it is printing the value 3.76 to something, and in last it is e minus 001. So if we solve it, it will be some random value between 0 and 1. Similarly, if I call it again, you can see value is changed. If I call it again, value is again changed. So likewise, every time it will generate a random number between 0 and 1. And make sure that here it is e minus 001. So that's why it is coming as decimal point in terms of 349. So yeah, that's how we can utilize this function, random function. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.